So we have 80 forcibly disappeared Armenians who were last seen in hands of Azerbaijani forces and have not been heard from since. But we also have these 23 detainees whose detention is acknowledged by the Azerbaijani authorities. And Arpi, could you tell us more about the conditions under which these 23 men are being held?
To be honest, it's very difficult to really comment on the actual situation of detention because the information that is available comes from very limited sources. That there hasn't been an independent monitoring body that had the opportunity to visit the detainees, to see the conditions. And the picture that we have currently is based on the visits of ICRC that has been luckily there up until now. And as Siranush mentioned, that time is coming to end as well. But up until now, yes, ICRC has provided some information. And the other available information is from families, which doesn't paint any picture that is human rights compliant. For example, if we look at Ruben Vartanyan's detention conditions, especially last year when he held a hunger strike to oppose the detention, it's very gruesome. He was held, as the statement of the family says, that he was held in full isolation. Considering that he was actually on hunger strike, there was no medical examination to check the health condition, and the health condition was deteriorating. We've also seen in some of the footages traces of torture, inhuman degrading treatment, and the fact that Azeri government claims that the ombudsperson has visited. It doesn't. We know that it's not an independent body to be trustworthy, and the Council of Europe, for example, Council of Europe Committee on the Prevention of Torture has been trying to make a visit, and it's continually denied, which really shows that raises huge concern.
Yeah, thank you, Arpi. And as you mentioned, even in the video footage that is released, the trial is happening in Baku right now. The evidence of abuse is visible on the faces of these men.